Welcome back to our raincoat, rain jacket, rain pants folding week. Today we're going to show you how to fold your rain jackets into its own hood, which is quite a practical trick to know. So let's start out by placing the rain jacket down with the front facing up this time. And we're going to take the arms here and we're going to fold them over to the other side and then down like this again. And we repeat on the other side here. So down. Okay, so this time we're going to split the jacket into three parts from side to side. So I'm going to fold in 1/3 the width of the jacket, and then we repeat on the other side. The most important part here is that it gets like within the area where the hood is. Make sure that it's even going down the length of the rain jacket as well. Now I'm going to turn the rain jacket on its side like this, and I'm going to start rolling it up from the bottom. Now this fold, you don't really need to roll it super tightly. It's not the most space-saving way to roll up your rain jackets, but it's a good one. It works fantastic on raincoats as well, by the way. Also, don't roll it too tight because you might make holes in the jacket. Anyway, once you make it to this point, we're going to roll it into the hood, but you need to like open up each of the corners as you roll it in. And with one of your arms, kind of press it inwards as you roll over around the hood like this. And that's pretty much it for the fold. But what you can do if you want to is tighten it in the back like this. It will hold together a little bit better, but you can see the hood is still like flying around. If you don't have like something to tighten it on the back, you can also roll it up starting from the back side. That way you get both these tightening areas exposed from the back side. You don't do that when you roll it from the front. Anyway, I hope you like this. Tomorrow I got one more cool way that you can fold your rain jackets, and then we'll move on to pants for day 6. So that should be cool. The one that I'm going to do tomorrow is going to be the most space-saving way that you can possibly fold up your rain jacket. So I'll see you over there.